I'm a really highly active individual, so no matter what, I have to have my body in really good condition to be able to do the things I do. I'm Calob Ramirez. Grew up with my dad teaching me how to box a little because my grandpa boxed, and then from that point on, Bruce Lee and Steven Seagal, all that stuff, you know, Chuck Norris, you just get inspired that way. And also where I grew up, you got fights in school and around, and that inspired me to learn to become a martial artist. So I originally started before fighting, hurt my knee on my dirt bike, coming off a jump and slammed all my weight in the bike on my knee. I went and started competing martial arts and stuff. Some days somebody falls on it, or you twist it the wrong way, or you could be picking somebody up. You never know. You hurt yourself more in practice than you do in the fight. So I'd go and I'd train, and then I'd hurt it again. I'd be like, dang it, and I'd be down for a couple weeks, and I'd come back in and take it easy, and then too quickly I would come in there and hurt myself again. So in the last couple fights, I took quite a bit of damage to my left knee. I was limping a lot, bending down to grab things, twisting, couldn't run. I'd have to wear a brace and just to kind of get through the day at work, and then go into training after that was just pretty difficult. The MRI said I had some deep tissue damage and muscle damage and even bruising to my bone. So I decided to look up Regenexx, a different, alternate route of stem cells. For them to take the time to count your cell count and to be able to have a calculated number of stem cells that they're going to put in which location, they just really are on the cutting edge, it seems. Going in to Dr. Handleman's, they took the time to let me know the different things I should and shouldn't be doing, and the different things I should be taking, supplement-wise, to be able to give my body the proper environment to heal itself. Over time, you slowly start to feel better, and then a couple months out, you're still feeling a little stiff, and you have to take it easy and allow your knee to heal itself. I feel like I'm back to the point when I first started training martial arts again. Just being able to know that my knee is strong gave me more confidence to go try some new things, and I've been able to do a lot more stuff now. I actually had somebody fall on it right before my last fight. It hurt a little bit for a week or two, and now I'm back to normal. So my knee isn't staying injured like it would before. So let's just say I did hurt it somehow. Other things stay injured longer than my knee does now. So it's kind of an interesting thing to know that my knee is actually getting back to a position where I can do things and not worry about it. I'm very up for it. I think it's something that's going to improve a lot of people, because when I was in there, I saw people of all ages. It's not just only this person can get it for this thing, and it seems to pretty much apply to anything, because you're putting something in your body that's the building block of the human individual. We're built from stem cells, like all the way from the very beginning. That's something that made me feel comfortable, because it came out of my own body. I'm not adding something that came out of a laboratory somewhere that they created. I feel much more comfortable, more natural that way,